What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to explain to you what a pure cycle or self-clean does on a Samsung washer. If you've been having issues with musty or moldy smells coming from your washer, it's probably a good idea to run the pure cycle, self-clean, or self-clean plus mode. This cycle is a special cycle that prevents mold and is designed to clean areas of the tub where moisture and detergent residue may accumulate. If your model doesn't have the notification, you should probably do this about once a month. On the front load washers, it can take up to 4 hours to run this cycle, and in my case it says an hour and 54 minutes. A couple things to note: you do not want to run the cycle with any detergent in it, and also if you see any suds building up in the drum, you want to run the cycle again. You can see on the inside of my drum there's a little bit of mold buildup, so hopefully it's going to take care of it. And also I'm noticing there's some suds in there, so I'm going to run the cycle again. So after running the cycle 2 times, I noticed it cleaned out the majority of the mold and mildew in the corner, and the musty smell is pretty much gone. The drum itself is also really clean, so it looks like it's ready to go for another month. Another thing you want to do about every 2 months is clean the filter. I'll leave a link for that up at the top of the screen. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up, and check out my other videos, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.